to get dressed with ease. Here's a tip. Decide in advance how you want to show up in the world. How do you want to show up at work? How do you want to show up for your family or when you're running errands? Deciding in advance how you want to show up in the world makes the deciding process very easy. So you may commit to yourself that you would never leave the house without being fully dressed, or go to a grocery store without looking super cute. And even lounging around the home with your family, are you showing up as the best version of you? Do you dress for the job you want, not the one you have? These are just small little choices that you can make that helps you to get dressed with intentionality. This is a small tip that you can use to help you to get dressed with ease. I am a closet coach. I have an online program entitled How to Curate a Wardrobe You Love. In the program, I walk you through some very powerful decisions that once you make them, it makes the process of getting dressed a no-brainer. Also, as part of the program is a weekly coaching call where you can bring your burning questions, get coached on any thoughts that you have about getting dressed or how you're showing up. I would love to have you inside of the program. I look forward to working with you.